Formax presents the FD 2006 Touchscreen Tabletop Pressure Sealer. The FD 2006 AutoSeal Pressure Sealer with its color touchscreen control panel is the ideal mid-volume tabletop solution for pressure-sensitive one-piece mailers, including checks, invoices, and marketing pieces. Pressure seal forms can be used for any document that can be printed and folded on one sheet, eliminating the cost of envelopes and creating a sealed, mail-ready piece. The FD 2006 is one of the latest Formax tabletop pressure sealers to feature a color touchscreen control panel, which includes internationally recognized symbols in place of text. Clearly marked fold plates, a 3-tire drop-in feed system, and the ability to process up to 8,000 forms per hour allow users to complete daily processing jobs with ease. The FD 2006 features easy set fold plates and is pre-marked for standard folds in 11-inch and 14-inch paper sizes. It can also be easily set for custom folds, including eccentric Z and C fold mailers. To set up and operate the FD 2006, begin by lifting the feed table and adjusting the side guides. Next, set the stop position for the top fold plate. First, open the top cover. Squeeze and slide the fold stop clamp to the correct setting, then release. The fine-tune adjustment knob allows you to precisely set the fold. Close the top cover. To set the bottom fold stop, remove the fold plate, repeat the same process as the top fold plate, and replace. When setting a half fold, simply remove the lower fold plate and rotate it 180 degrees so the metal stop is leading, and replace. Now, load the printed forms into the feeder by lifting the tray lever. Be sure the forms are under the feed tires. Press the black jog icon to seal a test form. If the form looks good, press the green start icon. The resettable counter keeps an accurate count of processed forms. Before you know it, the forms are folded and sealed in one streamlined process. The FD 2006 is available with an optional output conveyor, which keeps processed forms in a neat sequential order ready for the mail. The FD 2006 Tabletop Pressure Sealer is proudly made in the USA and built to last. With its intuitive touchscreen interface, it's an ideal solution for streamlining your mail processing.